Hello everyone, it's Nikari Crockett with the Luchek Group at KWCC, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to 1105 Nez Perce Drive. We're right next to Peterson Space Force Base as well as Spring Creek Golf Course, next to the Powers Corridor with tons of restaurants and shopping to take your pick from. As you can see, this property has a low maintenance front yard. The landscaping has been designed to be both beautiful and easy to maintain, so you can spend more time enjoying your new home and less time on yard work. I also want to highlight the fantastic backyard and deck. This expansive outdoor space is perfect for entertaining, hosting barbecues, or simply enjoying outdoor activities with family, friends, and pets. There's a large shed in the backyard providing plenty of space for all your tools and equipment, or if you want a workshop or she shed. Now let's step inside and explore the interior. As we enter, you'll notice the original well-maintained hardwood floors and iron balusters. The living room is spacious, providing ample room for entertaining guests or simply relaxing with your family. The large windows allow plenty of natural light to flood the room, creating a bright and airy ambience. Through this rounded archway, we have the gorgeous updated kitchen. The kitchen features modern appliances, sleek countertops, and plenty of cabinet space for your culinary needs, and a breakfast nook with French doors leading to the deck. Over this way, you'll find the awesome expanded primary suite with access to the deck through these French doors. It's a perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or unwind in the evening while taking in the peaceful surroundings. And the attached bathroom has a double vanity and a beautifully tiled tub shower combo. Let's head downstairs where you'll find another large living space, perfect for entertaining. There's also access to the laundry room here as well. Both secondary bedrooms are located on this level. They're cozy and well appointed, perfect for children, guests, or a home office. And there's a Jack and Jill bathroom that has a beautifully redone shower. Thank you so much for joining me on today's home tour. Again, my name's Nikari. For more information, go to makespringshome.com. For a private tour, call me at 719-421-9643. And as always, we provide a 14-month home warranty for all of our listings. Talk to you soon.